Happy Mooncake Festival hanggang when the moon is over there. What time is it? Going to 12 o'clock. Midnight. Anong pizza na Bernadette? Now is 11:48 p.m. and the moon is shining out there. May lightning na. Cloudy sky pa. Actually raining before. Nag-rain kanina. Maybe later also. When I'm sleeping. When I'm sleeping. Is it so good when the moon is shining? Happy Mooncake Festival! Hanggang now is September 17, 2024. Going to September 18. In a few minutes later. Moon so bright. Sandali lang to kasi very cloudy ang sky. Yan lang, napakita lang yung moon sa akin. Before daw ako matulog, nagpakita muna. Tara. And the moon is hiding the gray clouds. Oops, no more. So cloudy na. Wala na si moon. Bye-bye moon. Good night moon. Napakita lang si moon ng sandali sa akin. Kasi matutulog na daw ako. I think happy Mid-Autumn Festival here in Hong Kong. How about you there in Dubai? May Mooncake Festival dira. Mooncake Festival karon. So, holiday bukas. When the moon is hiding now. Bye-bye na moon. Actually, the sky is so cloudy because it's raining. May lightning pa gani. Wala na ang moon. I can see the lightning. Wala na, bye-bye na moon. Yes, autumn festival na. Wala na ang moon. Kay cloudy na. O kaya tarik ulan ron. Bye-bye na. I cannot see any more moon. So dark na ang sky. Actually, siya is cloudy sky. Pero ang moon dyan, nagpakita pag i-just ako. Dinawa dyan. Nagdagandagan pa. Is it good? Nagpakita pa siya. Nagpakita siya kadyot. Dinawa dyan. Pero cloudy na siya, pero nagpakita pag i-just ako. Nag-lightning na. Is it so amazing when the moon is shining? Even it's so cloudy, the sky, because the rain is coming. The rain is coming very soon. May lightning na, may thunder pa. Pero napakita pa jud ang moon sa kuha. Asa ang moon? Can you see the moon? Moon, where are you? Moon. Is it so beautiful moon hiding the cloudy clouds, cloudy sky? See, I can see it. Pero nagtago ng good siya. Cloudy kayo ang sky na. Huwag ng sky, ngit kay siya. Pero, oops. Bye-bye na moon. Good night na moon. Napakita pagid siya. Kadyot. Tinaod siya. Lahat na. Patulog na daw ko. Kaya alas 12 na. Anong oras na? Now it's 11:58. Going to 2 minutes more para 12 o'clock. Pero nawala na si moon. Bye-bye. Good night, everybody. Good night, Ting. Wala na, natulog na si Mon. Matulog na po daw ko. Wah. Wala na, ngit na kayo. Ha? Ngit na judge ko siya. Actually, siya. Actually, nag-rain siya. Nag-rain. Nag-barbecue akong sakop dire. Nag-iulan. Wala na, matulog na daw ko. Good night, everybody. Kay ang oras ay kompleto ko na. 53. Andiyan pa ng time. 53 pa eh. 11:53. Napad 7 minutes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ting. Good night.